The plunge of the Mexican peso. Mexico's currency is down 22% because of the tariff war. The recent trade tensions initiated by the U.S. president's imposition of a 25% tariff on Mexican imports have had a notable impact on the Mexican peso's exchange rate against the U.S. dollar. The peso experienced a significant depreciation, reaching its lowest levels since mid-2022. This depreciation is largely attributed to Mexico's heavy reliance on the U.S. market, with approximately 80% of its exports destined for the United States. The imposition of tariffs threatens to disrupt this trade flow, leading to concerns about Mexico's economic stability and consequently, a weaker peso. In response to these developments, Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum announced plans for retaliatory tariffs on U.S. goods, signaling potential further strain on trade relations and economic uncertainty. The channel is providing this information for two reasons. Both the U.S. and Mexico can affect the other's economy, but not in a good way. Mexico has been slow to respond. However, it's crucial that we understand the leverage Mexico holds in this situation. This knowledge can empower you to make informed decisions about Mexican pesos. 1. Auto industry. The tariffs threaten to disrupt the integrated North American automotive supply chain, leading to increased production costs. This could result in higher vehicle prices for consumers and potential job losses in the United States within the industry. 2. Oil and gas tariffs on Canadian and Mexican energy imports are expected to raise oil and gas prices in the United States, impacting both consumers and industries reliant on these resources. 3. Agriculture. Retaliatory tariffs from Mexico target United States agricultural products, reducing exports and financial strain on American farmers. This could result in lower commodity prices and decreased farm incomes. This comes at a time when the United States is dealing with the bird flu and the cost of eggs. Do your research. Do you believe the Mexican pesos will recover? If so, you want to research investing in the Mexican pesos. You can purchase Mexican banknotes physically using a travel store or trade the currency on the Forex market. Remember, the peso's current situation is not permanent, and there is potential for recovery. The currency value could also depreciate even further.